Experience top-notch shared living at Hollywood Afton, Los Angeles, more than student accommodation. This is a vibrant community network. This fully furnished, non-ensuite offers bunk beds for you and your future friends. It also comes with linens and, to keep you looking your tidiest, a washer and dryer, plus an iron and ironing board. Bye-bye shabby, hello style. Your kitchen is always stocked. Hunger is not invited to this party. Bake your favorites in the oven and reheat leftovers in the microwave. Let the dishwasher take care of the rest. What else, you ask? How about utilities, Wi-Fi, and a TV? Yep, you'll never be bored. Almost forgot about the gym and co-working area. Keep your body fit and mind sharp. There's on-site security to ensure your peace of mind. Whether it's Emerson College, Los Angeles Center, or the American Film Institute Conservatory, you're just a short drive away. Catch a bus from the stop at Gower Fountain, Northbound, or Vine Fountain just around the corner, or head to the subway station at Hollywood/Highland for seamless explorations around the City of Angels. Join the student community at Hollywood Afton via amberstudent.com.